Hey there, English learners! Are you ready for a heartwarming story that will help you practice your listening skills? Today's story is perfect for A2 level students who want to improve their English while learning about something we all love, pets. I'm going to tell you about different people and their amazing pets, and why these furry, feathered and scaly friends mean so much to us. Get ready to smile, learn and practice your English with this touching tale about the special bond between humans and animals. Why people love pets. Let me tell you a wonderful story about pets and the people who love them. This is a story about friendship, love, and the special connection between humans and animals. I want to tell you why people love pets so much. This story will take you to different places and introduce you to different people and their beloved pets. Let me start with my neighbour, Mrs. Johnson. Mrs. Johnson is 70 years old, and she lives alone in a small house next to mine. Every morning, I see her walking her dog in the park. Her dog's name is Lucky, and Lucky is a golden retriever. Lucky is 8 years old, and he is very friendly. "Good morning, Mrs. Johnson," I always say to her. "Good morning, Alex," she always replies. "Look at Lucky. He's so happy today." And Lucky is always happy. He wags his tail and he jumps around. Mrs. Johnson smiles when she sees Lucky playing. She tells me that Lucky makes her feel less lonely. "You know, Alex," Mrs. Johnson often says, "Lucky is my best friend. When I feel sad, Lucky comes to me. When I feel happy, Lucky is happy too. Pets understand our feelings." This is true. Pets really do understand our feelings. They know when we are sad and they know when we are happy. This is one reason why people love pets so much. Let me tell you about another person. His name is Tom, and he is my friend from work. Tom is 35 years old, and he has a cat. The cat's name is Whiskers. Whiskers is black and white, and she is very beautiful. Tom works very hard every day. He leaves his house at 8 in the morning, and he comes home at 6 in the evening. When Tom comes home, he is very tired. But when he opens the door, Whiskers runs to him. "Hello, Whiskers," Tom always says. "Did you miss me today?" Whiskers meows and rubs against Tom's legs. This makes Tom feel better. Tom sits on his sofa and Whiskers jumps on his lap. Whiskers purrs and Tom pets her soft fur. After a long day at work, Tom tells me, Whiskers helps me relax. When I pet her, I feel calm. When I hear her purring, I forget about my problems. Pets help us feel peaceful. This is another reason why people love pets. Pets help us relax and feel calm after a busy day. Now let me tell you about my young neighbour, Lisa. Lisa is 22 years old and she is a university student. Lisa studies very hard and sometimes she feels stressed about her exams. Lisa has a small bird called a budgie. The budgie's name is Sunny, and Sunny is bright yellow and green. Every morning, Lisa talks to Sunny before she goes to university. "Good morning, Sunny," Lisa says. "How did you sleep?" Sunny chirps and moves around in his cage. Sometimes Sunny even tries to copy the words that Lisa says. This makes Lisa laugh. Sunny makes me smile every day, Lisa tells me. When I study for my exams, Sunny sings to me. When I feel worried, Sunny's beautiful songs make me feel better. Pets bring joy to our lives. Lisa is right. Pets do bring joy to our lives. They make us laugh and they make us smile every day. Let me also tell you about my friend Mark. Mark is 40 years old and he has 2 children. Mark's children are 7 and 10 years old. The family has a dog called Buddy. Buddy is a mixed breed dog and he is very playful. Mark's children love to play with Buddy in the garden. They throw a ball and Buddy runs to catch it. They play hide and seek and Buddy always finds them. The children laugh and have so much fun with Buddy. Buddy teaches my children many things, Mark tells me. He teaches them to be responsible. They feed Buddy every day. They give him fresh water every day. They brush his fur every week. Pets teach us to care for others. Mark is absolutely right. When we have pets, we learn to be responsible. We learn to take care of another living being. This is very important, especially for children. My children also learn to be gentle, Mark continues. They learn to be patient with Buddy. They learn to understand Buddy's needs. Pets teach us to be kind and caring. This is so true. Pets teach us many valuable lessons about life, responsibility, and caring for others. Let me tell you about one more person. Her name is Anna, and she is my sister. Anna is 28 years old and she works as a nurse in a hospital. Anna's job is very demanding and she sees many sick people every day. Sometimes Anna feels sad about her work. Anna has a rabbit called Snowball. Snowball is white and fluffy and she is very gentle. When Anna comes home from the hospital, she always spends time with Snowball. "Hello, Snowball," Anna says. "I'm home." Snowball hops over to Anna and Anna picks her up. Anna holds Snowball gently and she feels Snowball's soft fur. This makes Anna feel peaceful. "Snowball gives me comfort," Anna tells me. "When I hold her, I feel less stressed. When I watch her eating or hopping around, I feel happy." Pets give us unconditional love. Anna is right. Pets love us no matter what. They don't care if we have a bad day. They don't care if we make mistakes. They love us just because we are their humans. This unconditional love is very special. Now, let me tell you about something interesting I learned. I read that having pets is good for our health. When we pet an animal, our body produces chemicals that make us feel good. When we play with pets, our heart becomes stronger. When we walk dogs, we get exercise. Pets help us stay healthy in many ways. I also learned that pets can help people who feel lonely. Many old people live alone, just like Mrs. Johnson. Their pets become their companions. Pets listen to them, even if they cannot answer back. Pets stay with them and make them feel less alone. Children with pets learn many important things. They learn to be responsible when they feed their pets and clean their cages. They learn to be gentle when they play with their pets. They learn about life and death when their pets grow old. Pets are excellent teachers for children. Some people have pets that help them with special needs. Some dogs can help blind people walk safely. Some dogs can help people who have seizures. Some cats can sense when their owner is sick. These pets are not just friends, they are helpers too. But not all pets are dogs and cats. Some people love fish. They watch their colourful fish swimming in tanks, and this helps them relax. Some people love birds. They enjoy hearing their birds sing beautiful songs. Some people even love reptiles like lizards and snakes. Every type of pet brings something special to their owner's life. Taking care of pets also teaches us about routine. We must feed our pets at the same time every day. We must clean their homes regularly. We must take them to the veterinarian when they are sick. This routine helps us become more organised in our own lives too. Pets also help us meet new people. When we walk our dogs, we meet other dog owners. When we take our pets to the veterinarian, we meet other pet lovers. Pet owners often become friends because they share the same love for animals. Sometimes pets can even save our lives. Dogs can smell dangerous things like gas leaks. Cats can sense earthquakes before they happen. Birds can warn us about fires. Pets have special abilities that can protect their human families. But the most important thing about pets is the love they give us. This love is pure and simple. Pets don't ask for expensive gifts. They don't want fancy things. They just want our attention, our care, and our love in return. When we come home, our pets are always happy to see us. When we feel sad, our pets stay close to us. When we feel happy, our pets celebrate with us. This constant companionship is something very special. Pets also teach us about the present moment. They don't worry about tomorrow. They don't think about yesterday. They live in the now, enjoying each moment. When we watch our pets play, eat, or sleep peacefully, we can learn to enjoy simple moments too. Having pets means we are never truly alone. Even in our darkest moments, we have a faithful friend by our side. This friendship is honest and true. Pets accept us exactly as we are. So now you understand why people love pets so much. Pets bring us joy, comfort, and love. They teach us responsibility and kindness. They help us stay healthy and active. They give us companionship and reduce our loneliness. Whether it's a dog like Lucky and Buddy, a cat like Whiskers, a bird like Sunny, or a rabbit like Snowball, every pet has something special to offer. They make our lives richer and more meaningful. The next time you see someone with their beloved pet, you'll understand the special bond they share. You'll know that it's not just about having an animal, it's about having a true friend who will love you unconditionally, make you laugh on difficult days, and teach you valuable lessons about life, love, and caring for others. And that, my friends, is why people love pets so much. It's a love story that has been going on for thousands of years, and it will continue for many years to come. Because the bond between humans and animals is something truly magical and wonderful.
Thank you for listening to this story. To practice more and understand it better, please check the additional materials below. Bye-bye for now.